everyone, my name is Vandana Malhotra. Welcome to my channel Know the New. Today I will teach you how to write shorthand if-else statement in Python. First of all, what is shorthand if-else? You can write complete if-else concept using a single line, and this concept is known as shorthand if-else. So I am taking previous example of pass fail. I will start with shorthand if. I need to write if in single line. I can do so by simply writing if marks greater than 33, and I will write this print statement along with the if statement like this, and without using any indentation it will work successfully. If I run this program, enter your marks. If I enter here any number that is greater than or equal to 33, for example, I am entering 36 here, it will show me pass. So this condition is working successfully. So if you are writing code in the same line of that of if statement, then you don't need to use any indentation. Now, if I need to add else part also, how can we do that? We can simply do that like this. Firstly, we have to write print statement, print pass if marks greater than equal to 33, else print fail. So in this way, I can write both if and else in a single line. If I run this program now, enter your marks. If I enter here 36, pass. And again, if I enter any number that is less than 33, for example, I am entering here 23, it will show me fail. So if else is working, and I have written the complete logic in this single line. And now if you need to add multiple conditions, for example, I need to add just pass or fail, all the logic. So for that, what can you do? You can simply write print pass if marks greater than 33, else print just pass if marks equal to 33, else print fail. So here I have written all the conditions in a single line. So let's check if it is working or not. Run input C, enter your marks. Firstly, I am writing a number greater than 33. So I'm writing here 38, pass. Now I will check it for just pass. So I'll enter here 33, just pass. And now I'll enter a number less than 33. For example, I'm writing here 22, fail. So in this way, all our conditions are working. This is how we can use shorthand if else in Python. In the coming videos, I will teach you more complex programs of Python. Till then, keep watching, keep subscribing. Thank you very much.